Robert Greene, in his latest book, Daily Laws, states the world is mysterious. Let's elaborate. When we say mysterious, we are talking about things we don't understand. For example, we don't fully understand the placebo effect. Why is it when we take a pill with a positive belief system, it can have a positive effect on our physical and mental health? So let's change our train of thought and let's give an example with regards to animals. So let's take the cat. Now, with regards to the cat, we understand how cats purr, but we don't understand why cats purr. Let's give another example, which is pretty random. We also can't explain with certainty why yawning is contagious. Let's give another example. A tomato has 7,000 more genes than a human being. To be specific, humans have 20,000 to 30,000 genes, where tomatoes have over 30,000 genes. And of course, we can have opinions on all these different things. But I think Robert Greene is correct. The world is mysterious. Even within an age of technological advancement and evolution, the mysterious nature of the world remains.